In this video, we'll install the rear knuckles and bearing hubs. Start by guiding the axle through the knuckle. Then slip the knuckle down onto the ball joint. Install the pinch bolt and nut from your donor. Use 15mm and 16mm tools to tighten the pinch hardware to 37 foot-pounds. Push the bearing hub onto the axle and into the knuckle. Install 3 of the bearing hub bolts from your donor. Use a 15mm socket to run the bolts down until the hub and knuckle are fully seated. We'll torque these bolts later. Put the donor axle nut on the axle, but don't tighten it yet. Repeat these steps on the other side of the car.